Good morning, class. Hey, what's up? Do you notice anything different between the two ways that I greeted you? Yes, excellent. The first greeting was more formal, while the second greeting was more informal. All right? So, when would a more formal greeting be used? Excellent, very good. When would a more informal greeting be used? Yes, very good. We had a look at this in our previous lesson when we had a look at tone. Do you still remember what tone is? Yeah, very good, very good. Excellent. All right, so what are the different types of tone that we would use? All right, excellent. Very, very good. Okay, so for today's lesson, we're gonna have a look at different images and different objects, and I would like you to tell me what the common theme is between the different images and different objects. Are you ready? Okay, so let us have a look at our first image. Okay, image number 1. All right, let us have a look at our first object. Okay, all right, let us have a look at our second object. All right, are you looking? And then let us have a look at our last image. All right, excellent. So, what is the common theme between all these images and objects? Excellent. All these items are associated with travel. Okay, excellent. So, has anyone ever traveled before? Ling Ling? Dan? Marco? Alright, so what were the different reasons that you had for traveling? Ling Ling, what was your reason for traveling? Okay, excellent. Dan? Alright. What about you, Marco? Okay, wow, brilliant. All such interesting reasons. So, what I see is that everybody had a different reason for traveling. Ling Ling, you mentioned that you went on vacation with your family. Dan, you said that you went on a business trip. And Marco, you mentioned that you went on a cruise for your honeymoon, right? So everybody has different reasons for traveling. Now I'm going to ask you another question. So, what type of social skills would one need as a traveler? What do you think, Ling Ling? Dan? Excellent, very good. All right. So, one social skill that you would need is you would need to know how to make conversation. All right. You would need to know how to make or start conversations. All right. So, what are your thoughts on this? Mm-hmm. All right. Excellent. So, I just have a general question. Do you think that somebody on a business trip meeting a new colleague or business partner and a traveler meeting the locals for the first time, do you think that they would talk to these people in the same way, using the same tone? All right, no, of course not. on the business trip, they would use a more formal tone, while when talking with locals, they would use a more informal tone, right? So, what do you think? What are the benefits of changing one's tone in conversations? All right, brilliant. Excellent. So that is what we're going to have a look at today. Today we're going to be looking at making conversation. And we're going to be looking at two different important aspects for making conversation. We're first going to revise our informal and formal greetings. Remember, we covered this in our previous lesson. So we're just going to revise that today, the different ways of formally greeting someone and informally greeting someone, right? And we're also going to do a couple of exercises related to our new topic, which is question tags. Have any of you heard of question tags? Do you know what a question tag is? Ling Ling? Alright, Dan? Alright, so basically, in a sentence of, "It's a lovely day, isn't it?" the question tag would be the "isn't it" part, right? So that is the question tag. So we're going to have a look at the grammar rules for using question tags. And then after we cover both these topics, formal and informal greetings and question tags, we're going to do a final activity, which is a role play. Okay? A role play. You're going to role play with each other. Okay, so what topic are we revising today? All right, excellent. And then what new topic are we covering today? All right, excellent. And then what will our final activity be? All right, brilliant. So I would like you to take out your textbooks and turn to chapter 1, because we have a couple of activities there that we're going to have a look at to cover question tags. Okay? All right, so let's begin today's lesson.